The way it works with Rogue Panda is you take a picture of your bike with a tape measure next to it, and I guess from there they can calculate, the size of your triangle. They give you the option to purchase this piece of metal which basically shifts down the water bottle bosses so that you can get more space out of the frame. And so you would mount this on it, and then you have these holes that let you slide it down accordingly on the bike. I could actually use one more hole on my bike since it's pretty much considered a large or an extra large. It's a 58 centimeter bike. But so I picked up one of these. Again, this isn't unique to them. I think Topeak makes one. You can buy a left or a right. They usually come in pairs. This is a left and a right. As you can see, if this was mounted on the bike, the water bottle doesn't come straight up. It comes off to the one side, and this one goes the other way. Versus this is a conventional water bottle holder that goes straight up. You can see the difference. So with this and the Rogue Panda bag, I put this on to go on the opposite side of the chainstay, which would be this way, I believe. And then that lets it exit the Panda bag off to the side rather than totally pulling up and out, or out this way and getting in the way. And then I stumbled upon this splitter, and what this allows you to do is mount one on each side of the down tube, or you can do it on the C tube if you want, but in my case I'm doing it on the down tube. And what that does is it gets it off to the side, and then that way I can carry 4 bottles if I wanted to. So let me show you how this works. It's really quite simple, and it really works quite nice with the Rogue Panda bag. The bottle cage exits from the side rather than straight up, so it comes out a little easier. So that's not a problem in this configuration. A little tough, but I can manage on my normal rides. The issue is when I start the bike tour and I need to carry more water with me. Okay, here's the bottle splitter installed. Although they gave me some spacers, you may need some more spacers or some washers. I just happen to have these spacers lying around, but basically you don't want to make sure that you have the right length screw, that it doesn't impale onto this, the frame and mark it up, or you won't be able to tighten it. And then the other item is you need to clear. So you need space for this bolt, and then you need space to clear the head. And as you can see, the one that's on the seat tube, you could probably use another hole down, because this can go down a little bit lower still before it hits here. I could at least get another hole out of this thing, because as you can see, this is a pretty tight fit. I do have the left-right exit on there, so it does come out. Like that. Okay, I guess there's no standard for water bottle cages where they put the holes in them, because as you can see, this one on the left, the crank clears it, but the one on the right, which is an Iberia, which I think is Amazon's house brand, it's lower, and the bottle does hit it. There you go, I have no problem, not even coming close to it. Might be more of an issue if you're on a smaller frame, that this down tube would be a little closer, but for me on this 58 centimeter, it works good. So that's how I carry my water, or will I should say.